going on, guys? This is just going to be a really fast video that's going to show you step by step how to download my keyboard lighting designs with DropBox. So from this point forward with my keyboard lighting videos, you're going to be able to download my designs from DropBox. So if we click on one of my videos here and we go down to the description, you're going to see a DropBox link in here. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on that link. Now, if you guys are new to DropBox, once you click on this link, it's going to ask you to create an account. Don't worry, this account's free. Go ahead and set that account up. Don't worry, because it is 100% free to set up your account. It's going to bring you to a page that looks just like this. You go ahead and click download. So once your download is complete, you can go ahead and close your browser and open up Razer Synapse. Once your Razer Synapse is open, go ahead and click on the Studio tab. And towards the top middle of your screen, you're going to see this drop down with the three little dots. What you want to do is you want to hit the three dots and you want to click Import. And now you're going to browse for files. You're going to click on this little file folder over here. And in your Downloads folder, you're going to want to click on your Downloads folder. This is typically the place where your downloaded file will go to, unless you've changed the location where you wanted that file to go. So we've downloaded this one into our downloads folder. You can see right here, it's Razer Chroma effects. We're going to click on that file and hit open. Now it's got this file right here for import. You want to make sure that's checked and click import. And once your file is imported, what you're going to do is click on this drop down and you're going to find your file that you imported. I already have Galaxy, obviously, because I created it, but since it's a copy of my original, they just did Galaxy with a 1. So this is going to be your imported file here. You just click on that. And that's all there is to it, to downloading the design. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe button so that you can see more keyboard lighting videos of mine in the future. Also, don't forget to click that little bell icon. That's going to let you know as soon as I upload a new keyboard lighting design. Thanks, guys. I'll see you later.